If you're involved in an accident with a power pole, the safest thing to do is to stay in your vehicle, call 911, and wait until help arrives. The force of the accident can cause wires to fall or come off their insulators, creating a dangerous situation where the car, pole, and ground can become energized, creating a risk of electrocution for a significant distance. The danger isn't always obvious, and there's no way to tell just by looking if it's safe to get out of your car. For now, your car is your best protection and the safest place to be. If you come across a scene like this, stay back at least 35 feet from the closest potentially energized item or structure in order to avoid becoming a victim yourself. In this situation, don't rush in to help, but instead call 911 and tell the victim to stay in their car. 35 feet is about the length of a typical school bus, but remember, this is only a recommendation. And depending upon conditions, the safe zone may be much further away.
How you doing? I'm Steven. We're gonna have you just stay put. We've got the utility company coming right now to try and de-energize the lines, and then we'll work on getting you out of the vehicle.
The following is an extremely dangerous maneuver and must only be attempted when your life is in danger and you have no other choice.
Steven, I think my car's on fire.
Captain 32, vehicle's starting to smoke. I need to get her out of the vehicle. What I need you to do is open the door very slowly, all the way. Put your right hand on the door, put your feet right there, and I need you to come out and stand up, get a good balance, do not touch the ground. Cross your arms, and you're gonna jump out with both feet, okay? Do not grab onto the car at all. So jump out onto the ground with both feet as far away as you can. Perfect.
In order to safely move away from the vehicle, you must shuffle your feet, keeping the soles of your shoes flat on the ground and sliding them no further apart than heel to toe. They must remain in contact with the ground while shuffling away from the scene at least 35 feet. If you've shuffled more than 35 feet away and feel any tingling in your feet when you move, continue to shuffle until the sensation stops. Remember, what you've just seen is extremely dangerous and should only be attempted when your life is in immediate danger and you have no other choice. Otherwise, stay in your vehicle. It's the safest place to be. Accidents involving power poles can be dangerous and the risks may be unseen. Remember, stay in your car, dial 911, and wait until help arrives. If this happens to you, we hope you'll follow the advice shown in this film